I would also like to thank, firstly, to the organizers for offering me the great opportunity to participate here to the 7th International Tax Conference as a representative of the Romanian Chamber of Tax Advisors. I especially appreciate this international approach of this conference based on the international cooperations between our organizations, which I consider that is a very significant element in our professions. As you said, I represent the Romanian Chamber of Tax Advisors, an organism which plays a very important role for our 5,000 consultants and about 400 member companies. Therefore, offering the possibility to participate as a panelist in the second part of conference is a very good occasion to share a lot of impressions about the most important fiscal aspects in our countries.